Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, guys, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and guys, do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because on Telegram we'll be putting out some potential trade movements. Some trade ideas would also be shared on the Telegram channel. Some trade we possibly that some potential trade movements is what we'll be sharing there, and also you can actually contact us there on Telegram. So the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So go to the comment section, find the link and follow us there. Now let's take a look at AUD USD. So we can take a look at this is the movement on AUD USD. So you can see I told you guys not to sell around this level, right? Because there's going to be a breakout to the upside, and that is exactly what AUD USD has actually done, right? If you have been following my channel consistently, you would have seen how I said it. Also, I told you guys that you should also not sell here because a lot of traders were actually placing their sell here. I told you this is just a liquidity, trying to deceive a lot of traders that it will drop. Guess what? It actually did that, right? That is exactly what market has done. So basically, we will continue the movement to the upside. I said it before, if you follow this channel consistently, right, our target is still to a level of 0.67 to a level of 0.68, probably a level of 0.68. That is our target on AUD USD. So we still have at least 2000 pips, at least 2000 pips movement to the upside is what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. We can expect more than that. It can give us 3,000, it can give us 4,000, it can even also give us 5,000, no problem. But at least a minimum of 2,000 pips bullish move is what we will still be expecting on AUD USD. Now, let's see this movement from here. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame, which show we would understand this moment. So we can see that there is an higher highs and an higher lows currently playing out. So let me do it this way. This is in our higher highs, right? Here comes the higher lows. This is our new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. Now, what is this? This is our higher highs. So what do you expect on AUD USD? Definitely an higher lows. So it is an higher lows that is currently playing out. So probably we should see more of the movement in London and New York section. So after that higher lows, I will be expecting this higher lows to drop. Then after that higher lows, then we can now expect a new higher highs on AUD USD. So basically, guys, we would be expecting more bullish move to the upside on AUD USD. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.